aphids and just full of aphids in this vine, and I had never ever seen this much of aphid in the past. Usually used to see some in brassicas, some other leafy greens, but not in hyacinth bean. And these look a bit different than in the others. I really used to be or what I had seen of in green colors, but these are black and has completely covered the whole vine. So however, I've got a few other vines as well, so I'm happy to sacrifice this vine for the aphids and just leave it as it is for now, and let them just focus or concentrate on this one vine. And I'm happy, so happy with that, because the other part of the garden is completely free of aphids, because I've got some other like broad beans and other pole beans as well, and I haven't seen any of these in those other plants. So I am happy to sacrifice that one plant for the sake of others. Thanks for watching.